Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Fanak. Today let us see the fifth question of chapter 11, areas related to circles, exercise 11.1. The question goes, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the arc. Second question, the area of the sector formed by the arc, and the third is area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. Let us find the length of arc. Length of arc is given by the formula theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Substituting the value 60 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21 cm. 60 by 360 is 1 by 6. 7 3s are 21. On further solving, we get 6 into 22 divided by 6. Cancelling the 6, we get 22 centimeter. This is the length of arc. Second part of the question is finding the area of sector formed by the arc. Area of sector is formed by using the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Substituting the value 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius is 21, writing them twice, 21 into 21. 60 by 360 is 1 by 6, 7 3s are 21. Cancelling 3 for 6, we get 3 by 2, we get 2. 2 is again divided, we get 11, and on further solving we get 11 into 21. 21 into 11 is 231. Hence we get 231 centimeter square as the area of sector. Third question is finding the area of segment formed by the corresponding chord. Area of segment. For that, let us draw the diagram to make a good understanding. Let us draw a circle first. This is the center. This is the chord AB. This is the radius. We know theta is, that is angle AOB is 60 degrees, and OA is equal to OB is equal to 21 centimeter, that is the radius. We don't know the length of the chord. To find the area of segment, that is this part, we have to know the area of triangle AOB. Since OA and OB are equal, we come to know that angle OAB and OBA are equal, and let us consider that to be x. In a triangle, sum of interior angles is 180 degree. So we will get a 60 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 60 plus 2x is equal to 180 degrees. Taking 60 to the opposite side, 2x is equal to 180 minus 60, that is 120 degrees. X is equal to 120 by 2, that is equal to 60 degrees. So we have received angle OAB and OBA as 60 degree, and hence we come to know that it is an equilateral triangle. Triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. So the length of chord AB is 21 centimeter. I have written here wrongly. It is 21 centimeter. This is also 21. Dropping a perpendicular and joining the perpendicular as OD, we will get the height. Using trigonometric ratios, we know sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. So we know in triangle ODB, angle B is 60 degrees. Sin 60 is equal to OD by OB. We have to find OD because that is the height. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. OD is our height and OB is 21. We get height as 21 root 3 by 2 centimeter. Area of triangle AOB is equal to half into base into height. Base is AB and height is OD. Half into 21 into 21 root 3 by 2. We get 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square as the area of triangle AOB. Area of segment is area of sector minus that of area of triangle AOB. We have received area of sector as 231 from our previous problem and area of triangle as 441 root 3 by 4. I'm solving them. 231 minus 441 into 1.73 divided by 4. 441 into 173. Multiplying by 3, we get 1323. Then multiplying by 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 2 carry over, 7 fours are 28, plus 2 is 30. 441 into 1 is 441. Now adding them up, 3, 9, 12, 6, 7. We get 231 minus 76293. Placing decimal points divided by 4. 231 minus, dividing it by 4, we get 4 ones are 4, carrying over 3, 4 nines are 36. As 2 is not divisible, 0, 29. Putting the decimal point and then 29, 4 sevens are 28, carry over 1, 4 threes are 12, remainder 1, 4 twos are 8, 2 0, 4 fives are 20. Subtracting them, 231 minus 190.7325, we get '. You can also stop the answer at this place itself because they haven't given the value for root 3. We can write area of segment as 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square, or we'll solve the problem and get the answer as 40.2675 centimeter square. There's no problem in leaving the answer at this point also. Thank you. Happy learning.